Hello friends, I am Lakshmikant Kapgate, Assistant Professor, Department of English, SS Jaiswal College, Aljini Morgaon, District Gondia. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In the previous video, I have explained that what is LaTeX, what are the features, and what are the various online editing tools that supports LaTeX software. For example, Overleaf, Paperia, ShellLaTeX, and others. In this video, we will see the practical session, or we will see the hands-on session on LaTeX technology or the LaTeX software. Dear friends, LaTeX is used all over the world for scientific document, books, as well as many other forms of publishing. Not only it can create beautifully typeset document, but it always allow users to quickly tackle the more complicated parts of typesetting, such as inputting mathematics or the mathematical formulas, creating tables of contents, referencing and creating bibliographies, and having a consistent layout across all sections. Due to the huge number of open source packages available, the possibilities with LaTeX are endless. These packages allow users to do even more with LaTeX, such as add footnotes, draw schematics, create tables, etc. One of the most important reasons people use LaTeX is that it separates the content of the documents from the style. This means that once you have written the content of your document, you can change its appearance with ease. Similarly, you can create one style of document which can be used to standardize the appearance of many different documents. This allows scientific journals to create templates for submission. So let's do it practically. So for this, we need to visit the Overleaf website, which is very important, or the another online tool. In this in the previous video, we have seen Overleaf is an online editing tool which supports LaTeX. Now let's see the practical session. As I typed Overleaf in Google browser, you can see the official website of Overleaf, which is online LaTeX editor tool. Let me click on the official website. You can see the home page where you have various heads or the various options. One is features and benefits. You can see what are the features. You can use it for writing, groups, teaching, universities, publishers, enterprises. Means it is not limited to any person or to any researchers. You can use for universities, the publishers can use, or the professional users can use this software. Then you can go to template. In template, there are various predefined templates are available. For example, if you are going to write the academic journal, then you can select the academic journal option, where you can have various predefined templates of various journals. For example, in the previous video, I have seen this slide. You can suppose if you want to write a paper for Springer or to any elsewhere journal, you can click and select this option or the predefined templates. Then the third one is plan and option or the pricing, and the fourth one is help. Suppose if you are the new for Overleaf software, you can create your identity, you can insert your credential and register yourself. When you click on register option, it will ask you to your Gmail account, or you can sign with your Google account also, or you can sign with your Orchid ID. I have already login in this Overleaf software, so let me when you click on register, you will find that you need to insert the email ID, your password, and register with your email, or instead of your email ID you can use your Orchid ID. I have already created my account, so let me log in with my credential, my email and password. So let me log in. So you can see the page where you will have various options or various heads are there. So the first one you can see in this green color, it says new project. Suppose I am going to create new project in Overleaf software, so I can click and select blank project. So let me create blank project, for example paper 2. So this is the title of my new project, and I have created a project. Now see, my project is under process. You will see the setting. So this is the page where you need to work, or you are going to work on your paper. For example, you can see I have just given the title paper 2. So you can see in the process page also it says automatically it is given, or the author name you can see, and the date or the month or the year you can see. But before going into the details, let me introduce the page. What is here? This is the menu page. This is the back button. You can create new file, you can add new folder or create new folder, you can upload images or a new file. This is the main file where I am working here. You can delete this, you can rename this. In this right side, in this process page, the green color button, it says recompile. So whatever you write after that action, you can click on recompile. So the changes will happen in this page. You can share this document with your colleague. Suppose you are working with 10 people or 5 people at the same time, they can edit at their place on the same document using this option. You can chat. Suppose you have any problem regarding any issues or regarding any topic, so you can click on chat and you can chat live. So this is the online mode I am using in this practical session. Now see, the first option says there are 15 lines, and in 15 lines various options are given. Number 1, it says /document class curly bracket article. Now it is for article. Suppose I want to write the book, so I can write or I can type book here, for example curly bracket, and write book. So I will write the book, and you can see the changes, what are necessary changes to write book you can find in this page. So let me choose my Word file first, so you will understand. Now this is my paper and this is the title. Let me give the title to my project. So I have just copied, and in this curly bracket you can see the title. You just paste it here. Now see, for our project or to our project, I have given the title. This is a paper, so let me write the article. After that we will see the changes, and let's click on, or let's hit on recompile page. So you will see the changes. My title will be there. So this is the title as I have just pasted here. Let me change the author name. For example, the author name is Lakshmikant Kapgate. Again you go and hit on recompile page or button. You can see the changes. Suppose if you want to insert the date, for example today's date is 18, so type it, again click here. Whatever you insert, but you need to go properly. If you make mistake in using these packages or in this coding language, there will be error. You cannot create perfect document in this software. For example, by default there is one package, US packages. For example, this is an article, and if I want to write this article in 2 column, so for 2 column you need to insert square bracket and write 2 column and click. So whatever I write or whatever I will insert in this page, it will change or it will set in 2 column page. So again I want to set the font of this paper. It is by default 10 point, the font size is 10. Suppose if I want to change the font size, so I can write 12 point and comma. So font will automatically change. You can see the changes in the size of this title. Now this is the beginning or the begin document and the end document. So this is known as the body of the document or of the page. In this body of the document you can add your material, you can insert your material. The beginning or left/begin document and left/end document tags are available here. You can see this is, and this one, this is known as the body of the document. You can start writing here and make changes to the text if you wish. To see the result of these changes in the PDF, you can hit on this recompile button. So let me insert something. So this is the page where I am going to insert something or to write something. So again I am going back to my Word file. So this is my Word file of my paper. I am going to copy this, the whole page I will copy, and so this is okay, and let's go to page and paste it here. Now see, I have pasted my Word file here. Full paper I have copied here and pasted. Now see what happened when I click on recompile button. So you will see the page, or you can see the document which I have created with the help of LaTeX. So this is the first thing you can see. So in this video or in this session, we have seen what is document class. For example, if you want to write book, for example, this is article. So if I want to write book, in this curly bracket you just type book and recompile. Again the page will change in the book format. Suppose if you don't want in 2 column, so delete this 2 column and font size will be 12, and this is in book format. Now see the changes. So this is the easiest way to create high quality document with the help of LaTeX software. So in the next video we will see what are the packages are available, how can we add abstract, paragraph, sections, subsections, images, references, citations. We will see in the next video. Thank you.